CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.8 Given a scenario, use common data destruction and disposal methods. When it comes to getting rid of old hard drives or devices, simply tossing them in the trash won't cut it, unless you want your company's data floating around for anyone to find. Whether you're decluttering or managing a company's end-of-life hardware, you should know how to securely destroy or repurpose data. Let's explore the best methods to ensure that your data is not only deleted, but gone for good. Sometimes, the most effective way to guarantee that data is permanently unrecoverable is through physical destruction, especially when a hard drive or device no longer needs to be reused. Physical destruction ensures that the storage media itself is damaged or destroyed in such a way that any attempt to recover data is impossible. Let's start with one of the least secure methods, drilling. This would involve drilling holes through the platters of a hard disk drive. This is often seen as a quick and satisfying approach because it physically damages the core components of the drive. However, it's not always foolproof. If the holes don't destroy enough of the platters or critical sections, there is still a chance that data from the undamaged areas can be retrieved using specialized recovery tools. A more secure option for HDDs is degaussing. This method involves the uses a powerful magnetic field to disrupt the data stored on the drive's magnetic platters. By scrambling the magnetic charges, degaussing renders the data unreadable. For those looking for even more thorough destruction, shredding is an excellent option. In this method, the drive is fed into a machine that breaks it into tiny fragments, much like how a paper shredder works. Once the drive is shredded, the pieces are so small that reassembling and recovering data is practically impossible. This method is ideal for companies that need to destroy large volumes of drives and want peace of mind that their data is gone for good. Lastly, if you want absolute certainty, you can turn to incineration. Incinerating the drive involves melting the drive down in a high-heat environment. This method leaves no chance for data recovery and is typically reserved for situations where the highest level of data security is required. But what if you want to reuse the drive? In that case, recycling or repurposing is a better approach, allowing you to make use of the hardware again while ensuring that sensitive data doesn't fall into the wrong hands. Before you can safely reuse a drive, it's essential to securely sanitize any existing data, especially if the drive was used to store confidential information. There are several methods available, each with varying degrees of security. One common method is standard formatting, often referred to as a quick format. This method is quick and easy, and it's readily available in most operating systems. During a standard format, the system essentially removes the references or pointers to the files on the drive, making the data appear inaccessible. However, it's important to note that the actual data remains on the drive, hidden beneath the surface. With the right data recovery tools, that information can often be restored. Standard formatting is sufficient for scenarios where speed is prioritized, and the drive isn't storing sensitive data. For a more secure option, consider erasing or wiping the drive. In this process, the drive's data is overwritten with random patterns of zeros and ones, effectively scrambling the original information and making it much harder to recover. While this takes a bit more time, erasing or wiping the data is a much safer choice when you need to prevent unauthorized access to previously stored information. The overwritten data becomes jumbled and unreadable, reducing the risk of recovery through conventional means. When dealing with highly sensitive data, the most secure method of data sanitization is low-level formatting. This process goes beyond just removing file references and overwriting data. Low-level formatting resets the drive to its original, factory condition by rewriting every single sector of the drive with zeros and ones, essentially wiping the slate clean. This method makes it almost impossible to recover any data, even with advanced forensic tools. Low-level formatting is often used when repurposing drives that previously contained critical information, such as financial records or personally identifiable information. It's the go-to solution when the stakes are high, and data security is non-negotiable. In certain cases, companies may prefer to outsource data destruction to a third-party vendor. When doing this, it's important to ensure that the vendor provides a certification of destruction, confirming that the data has been securely destroyed or that the drives have been properly recycled. This is especially important when dealing with sensitive or regulated data, as it provides peace of mind and proof of compliance. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.